You've worked decades to build your retirement. So here's a question. Why is the very system you're relying on now cracking underneath you? Because while Wall Street claps for record highs, behind the scenes, the Fed is quietly warning of a credit crunch. The dollar is weakening, and US debt just smashed through $34.7 trillion. Now imagine this. You're 67, just retired, and you check your IRA, only to see it's down again, thanks to inflation, geopolitical chaos, or another unexpected rate move. But not everyone's IRA is taking the hit. Let me tell you about John and Carol Mathers, a retired couple from Scottsdale, Arizona. John was an aerospace engineer. Carol was a teacher. Like you, they played by the rules, saved diligently, had just over $742,000 in their IRA when the 2022 market started unraveling. They watched 20% vanish in under a year. They couldn't sleep. Their advisor said, "Stay the course." But instead, they took action. They rolled over $412,000 into a self-directed gold and silver IRA. And now, while others ride the roller coaster, they've found something most retirees crave more than returns: peace of mind. And their story? It all started from the same free offer you're going to hear about at the end of this video. Now let's talk about why gold and silver belong in every IRA. First, diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's survival. Paper assets alone won't protect you in a systemic shock. Gold has held its value for over 5,000 years. It's not a theory, it's history. Second, physical precious metals in an IRA are not like ETFs or mining stocks. This is tangible wealth, fully IRS approved, stored in high security depositories, and 100% owned by you. It's not just protection, it's control. Third, unlike stocks or real estate, gold and silver don't rely on a bullish economy. In fact, they often shine the most when everything else falls apart. And if you're thinking, well, I've never done this before, that's okay. Neither had John and Carol. That's why the educational part matters. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, no free silver bait and switch, just a simple no-obligation call with a real specialist who walks you through the process, only if it's right for you. So here's what I want you to do. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, click the link and get your free Gold IRA guide. It's packed with answers to the exact questions you're probably asking right now. Because you don't need to wait for another market drop to react. You can prepare. You can protect what took you 30 plus years to build in 30 minutes or less. That's what smart retirees are doing. That's what John and Carol did. And that's what I want you to do right now. Because your retirement deserves more than hope. It deserves security. It deserves legacy. And it starts with one decision.